Are you tired of having to manually open the door when after a hard day's work or getting up in the morning in the cold frigid air? Well, what you need is an automatic electric garage door. And here we have one. And with a code that all you have to do is enter the code. And once you enter the code, it goes right up. But if you're old, you got to remember the code. Laura, what's the code?
I'm not telling you, this is a video. So go
Tell me the code. I can't open the door without it.
I'm not telling you the code.
I'm going to guess.
Or don't say it out loud. Oh, good. That's really secure for anyone watching this video.
I did it. And it opens. Now, you don't need the code to close it. Oh, and that light goes on automatically. Now you close it, you go like that.
Just hit enter.
Just hit it. That's right, just hit enter. See, when you get old. And now you have what they call a LiftMaster automatic remote garage door open. Don't put your foot under there because you can get it squished. Now, you can get this garage door open and you put it in the visor of your car and you touch this button, it's number 1 because we only have one garage door. And it goes up. Voila! And that's how you do it.
What if you're inside?
What?
What if you're inside coming from your kitchen? How do you get the garage door open?
Oh, follow me. When you're getting out and coming in from the kitchen,
Yes.
come here. There is a button right here by the door.
Oh my God.
And you just touch the door.
Ta-da!
Watch.
Modern science. It's amazing.